it's your boy Jason. We're hopping back in with another vid. Hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm doing great. We're heading to North Carolina for Cars in Carolina, hosted by Import Expo, as well as the USDM Honda meet. It is one of the biggest Honda meets on the East Coast, so we should definitely see some cool ass Hondas. Take a look at this BMW clown shoe. I don't really know what it is. I know it's M car though, but dude, these gold BBSs. Ooh. Take a look at this Jetta, dude. It's on stock wheels, but look, this fitment. And they might not be the Jetta stock wheels. They're a Volkswagen stock wheel. This interior though, okay. And the trunk setup there, you can tell they're a Volkswagen owner. You know, they got the tools with them in case the shit goes down. Ask me how I know. The V-dub life, baby. Got us a little Type R, sitting on some rays. Got the piss yellow headlights. Looks good with the black though. S2K looking super clean. Wonderful fitment. Very usable. Oh, and it's supercharged. We're gonna shout out Ingenuity when we see Ingenuity. There you go, them custom monster center caps, very dope. Imagine all the people living life in peace. If only, bro, if only. The R32 is always a crowd pleaser, especially when it's got a big giant precision turbo on there. Okay, super dope, guys. We got some R5 Supra, right hand drive, big body next to the Evo 10. And we got us a Nardo Gray Balaba with the gold XXRs. We're gonna give them a slide because it's a Subi. Take a look at this red Evo. We'll take a look at those big old meaty tires in a second. We're gonna take a look under the engine first. Under the hood, I should say. Big giant turbo hood exit. Okay, at the Hellcat cool packs. Flex fuel maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna stop talking before I say something even dumber than I normally do. Big old meaty tire on the T37. God dang. Some transmission work done, because you know that's like the only weak point to the Evo, because the 4G63 is nasty. And this one, I'm surprised I ain't got a damn parachute on it as big as that turbo would. Okay, I got the Subaru minivan, minivan, K-van, something. The right-hand drive Honda Accord. Got some Mugen goodies on here. Clean bronze race, very nice. Got that super, you know, old school Honda interior. Smells like an old school Honda in there for real. But I really dig the wagon, guys. Take a look at the little egg right here. Clean little EG. Yeah, it looks like an old K series in there. Okay, but that's pretty quick. Civic Type R, EK, love the red Recorros, right hand drive of course, and championship white, you can't beat it. Clean little Del Slow, I love the Del Sols, very, very cool car. Not enough room for my fat ass though. And another FL5 Type R, what? You act like we at the USDM Honda meet, one of the biggest meets on the East Coast for Honda people. Get the blue Type R on the Vors. They're supposed to be like the Regameisters. Okay, the white with the blue, definitely clean. Boosted EG, very nice. We got us a bag of cords, sitting on some Contes. Damn near perfect fender to lip fitment. Good shit, boys. The baby Type R, you know, a little bit bigger than Type R, a little heavier, but you know, it's got the makings to be quick if you want it to be, but they went the VIP route here. Clean interior, pour you up a drink. The trunk setup, super clean, only bags and Sonic, that's pretty cool. And these guys just pulled up, just grabbing all the attention already. Beautiful S2K, got the exposed carbon on the hood, carbon canards, clean T37s, grid seats, part next to this newer of the first gen NSXs, as you can tell by the headlights. Clean, dude, I like this orange a lot. Carbon wing, goes hard. This EG with the Mugen valve cover and the intake, okay, big money. The Mugen shit is expensive. Hit the red with the bronze SE37s. Okay. Beautiful Midori green, the red Recaros. Another Mugen intake. Yeah, boy. Some super clean Hondas. This one might be my favorite. I love the yellow. Bronze wheels. Not a Mugen intake, surprisingly. They must have saved it to put these wicked ass Recaro. Okay, the yellow on the yellow. I like it a lot. Ooh, another beautiful Midori green, bronze, or gold CE28. Super clean engine bay. Jay's racing intake. Okay, dude. Yeah, this little thing's got some goodies too. And then we got us a championship white Type R right-hand drive. There's some beautiful Hondas here today, guys. All my Honda folks, y'all gonna enjoy this video for sure. And if you are enjoying it so far, smash that thumbs up button. Do your boy a favor. We gotta get the numbers up. Help me out. Check these out. We gotta do this to our minivan. Slap a big old fat Turbski on there. Alright. Bet they both rowdy. And the Recaro kid seats, bro. That's a flex. Right-hand drive too on the van. Shit. Here's the rowdy, guys. So take a look. People, man, you can do anything to anything you want. Minivans included. Look at little man filming. That's what it's about, guys. You gotta share it to the next generation for sure. So I'm just kicking back, letting him do his thing, and then we're gonna take a look at that LS Swap 240. Yeah, so like I said, a lot of music, so we're gonna try to do this quick. Wide body Mustang, wide body Mark V Supra, Shelby Cobra, supercharged 5.0 with the Cobra front end. There we are. Look at this beautiful Porsche. Oh man, on HREs too. That side profile. Whew. And here we go, got beautiful in the red. BMW quad body, crazy giant old school Conseil wheels. It looks like, at least the old school logo on there. A lot of carbon fiber goodies under the hood. Try not to step on that giant splitter, but get you guys close up. See, giant splitter laid on the ground. Oh yeah, look at that wide body angle. Super clean trunk setup. All right, some more for Supra. Setting on some SSRs. Got them tucked in there real nice. Carbon lip. Alrighty guys, take a look at the R35 bags. Big old TE37s tucked in there like it's going to take a nap. Got rotors the size of a medium pizza. Good day, dude. Interior is gorgeous, of course. Super simple, super clean trunk setup. Big old giant fistable exhaust. We ain't gonna do that. Not that kind of video, y'all.
Let's do this! Yeah. Let's get it! Alright, green Civic. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, I appreciate the effort. Alright. I appreciate it. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go!
Subaru, I don't think it's got a chance. That 2J 240. Yeah. dub to the Civic. I honestly think the 240 was louder, but I think that was because the fender exit was next to the crowd. Kind of gave him an edge, maybe. I don't know. Y'all let me know which one y'all thought was louder down below. Okay, we got a black S2K Chrome TE. Beautiful hardtop. I love the hardtop look on the S2K. Pretty gnarly diffuser out back too. Jesus Christ, the turbo. That really is actually the size of my head, no exaggeration. Shit's huge. The paint job on this hatchback is super dope. And you ask how I know it's paint and not wrap? Cause, take a look back there. It's paint. You ain't wrapping back there. You ain't, unless you hate your life. It's wild. SSRs. Beautiful purple. Got your roll bars in case some shit gets squirrely. You got a wide body. Little Honda Civic SI. Sitting on some works. Carbon fiber hood. Okay, we got us another wide body S2K in a beautiful red. Bronze TEs. Carbon fiber lip. Canards. Big old Turbski. Okay. Hey, I've never seen this body kit on the NSX before. If anybody knows, drop it down below. This thing is wicked though. Very clean fitment. Very beautiful car. Yeah, dude. This thing is wild and it looks like it's supercharged. Okay. Dude. Yeah, supercharged. That's crazy. I bet this thing is quick and fun. Oh my goodness, look at the interior. Yeah, EG hatch. This one has carbon fenders. Big old meaty tires sitting on a weld. Carbon hood. Okay. Looks like it's all motor. I've never seen this many Midori green Hondas in one place. Well, I guess you'd expect to see something like that at a Honda meet. And again, TE37s in bronze. This yellow is beautiful. And take a look at the purple TEs. Okay, the color match to the valve cover and stuff. So she got it. We got the big body on the big wheels with a big motor and a big supercharger LT4 stuffed in here. Okay, not really stuffed, there's plenty of room, but you know what I mean. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Team Tensei Mark IV Supra wheel of the day. Again, T37. Also representing Team Tensei is this beautiful Evo carbon hood, giant carbon lips, Nards, deep dish T37. Okay, wide bodied. Yeah, that's a clean look, y'all. Now we have the Pandem wide body CA Corvette sitting on little harness, almost like a midnight purple inspired wrap. Carbon lips on the harness. I didn't notice that on that side. Sheesh. Okay, 2J 240 wide body. Look at this tucked engine bay. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but damn, that's beautiful. So work mices. Okay. Changed the trunk setup since the last time I've seen it. Woo! Still safety. A little side profile thing. Boost blue. FL5 Type R. The Advans. Okay, some PRL goodies under here. I like the red with the boost blue, dude. Clean. We got an Acura NSX. Another body kit, super clean, bronze T37s. Telling you, very popular today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for us in today's video. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please smash that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, peace.